2, 1, go.
Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Human players aiming for their hubs. Looks like Tigertron's shooting a little bit short. Meanwhile, Revelation showing us what they can do into the red hub. 5 seconds remaining in autonomous. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. As we go into teleoperated mode, drivers take control. Tigertron's trying to get up and over the bump. PastaBots filling their hopper and heading back over to the red side of the field. Lunch may not be until after next match, but PastaBots can't wait. They're serving up some piping hop stromboli into the red hub. Tigertrons make their way over to the bump to refill in the neutral zone. Fusion Core screaming around the neutral zone trying to reload. Revelation putting up some last minute shots, followed by PastaBots into the red hub as we switch over to the blue side shift. CRyptonite looks to be having some trouble lining up with their outpost as PastaBots reloads the Red Alliance zone. Texplosion trying to reload their hopper, while Fusion Core plays a little interference on the blue side of the field. We're on the red shift as Revelation steadily fills the red hopper, the red hub. PastaBots raining down like so many noodles as they refill and line up for another shot. Blue human players and Texplosion throwing some fuel into the Blue Alliance hub just in time for it to change to the blue shift. PastaBots reloading the Red Alliance zone in preparation for the endgame. And we're into the end game as PastaBots continues to reload the Red Alliance zone. Revelation loading fuel into the Red Alliance hopper. Blue Alliance human players steadily throwing some into the hub and making it. 15 seconds left in the match. Five, four, three, two, one, and